Good afternoon. I'm Ben Jones, founder and CEO of BA3 Accounting, where we can help turn your tax nightmares into daydreams of deductions. Today, we're going to talk about something that makes most small business owners break out in a cold sweat: taxes. Yes, the necessary evil that even Benjamin Franklin couldn't escape. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a couple things, right, on the basics of small business taxes, and dare I say, make it almost enjoyable. Now, you've probably heard that the only certainties in life are death and taxes. I hate to break it to you, but business taxes are an unavoidable part of the deal, and there are a lot of them. And there are a lot of rules as to who pays and how much. Let's just name a few. Federal and state income tax, employment taxes, sales tax, property tax, and you've got others. It depends on the type of company you have and how you're set up for tax purposes. This will determine if the company files a return and pays taxes from the company, or a return is filed for informational purposes only, and then the owners of the company pay their share of income tax on their personal tax return. Yikes, that's a lot to know, and a big reason people need help. It can get very complicated very quickly. And before you can even think about handing over your hard-earned cash to Uncle Sam, you'll need an EIN, an employee identification number. Think of it as your business social security number, but without the selfies on your Instagram feed. Applying for an EIN is easy. It's one of those rare instances where the IRS actually makes something straightforward and easy. Just hop online, fill out a form, and voila, you're officially on the tax radar. Now, if you're lucky enough to have employees, congratulations. You've officially graduated from the solopreneur phase. But with great power comes great responsibility, like employment taxes. As an employer, you're now the gatekeeper for Social Security, Medicare, as well as federal, state, and potential local income tax withholdings. Yes, you hold onto the money from your employees to give it to the government. It's your job to make sure that these get deposited and reported to the IRS and the appropriate other taxing authorities. No pressure, huh? But there are softwares, just like QuickBooks, which can really help make it easier. If you're self-employed and don't have a company and EIN, don't think you're off the hook. You've got to pay self-employment taxes by using your personal Social Security number. Yes, that's Medicare and the other stuff, again, just like a company would do if it was doing it for employees. This time, you have to do it for yourself, which means you'll need to calculate these things for yourself. You can't forget about state and local taxes. Depending on where you're operating, you could be dealing with state income taxes, unemployment taxes, or both. Every state has its own set of rules, so make sure you're in the know. Finally, another big tax is for sales. Everyone's favorite. If you're selling products or certain services, you need to collect, report, and pay the collected sales tax to the government. The tricky part? Rates and regulations can vary not only by state, but by county and city too. My advice, keep your tax advisor on speed dial and use software that can help keep you out of trouble. So there you have it, an overview, a whirlwind tour of small business taxes. It might not be the most glamorous topic, but understanding it is crucial to keeping your business on solid ground. I believe being organized and having help to consistently account for and stay in line with the tax man is important. So remember, at BA3 Accounting, we're here to help you navigate these waters, and if you have your accounting straight, you are in much better shape. We want you to be able to focus on what you do best, growing your business. So reach out and see if we can help. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.